Chatbase versus Botpress. Which AI chatbot is better? If you are trying to decide between Chatbase and Botpress for building an AI chatbot, this video will walk you through the key differences in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you should have a clear idea of which platform fits your needs better. Let's start with Chatbase. Chatbase is designed for speed and simplicity. It allows you to create an AI chatbot mainly by uploading documents, websites, or text content. Once your data is added, the chatbot is ready to answer questions based on that information. This makes Chatbase a good choice if you want a quick setup without technical complexity. Many beginners like it because the interface is clean, and you do not need coding knowledge to get started. Chatbase is often used for customer support, FAQs, and knowledge-based chatbots, especially for small businesses or solo creators who want fast results. Now let's look at Botpress. Botpress is more advanced and flexible, but it also comes with a steeper learning curve. It gives you more control over how conversations flow, how the chatbot responds, and how it integrates with other tools. Botpress supports complex logic, conditional responses, and deeper customization. This makes it better suited for developers, technical teams, or businesses that need a highly tailored chatbot experience. While beginners can still use Botpress, it usually takes more time to learn compared to Chatbase. When it comes to ease of use, Chatbase clearly wins for beginners. You can go from zero to a working chatbot very quickly. Botpress, on the other hand, shines in customization and scalability. If you plan to build a chatbot with complex workflows or advanced integrations, Botpress offers more long-term flexibility. Pricing is another consideration. Chatbase typically focuses on usage-based limits tied to messages or data size, which works well for smaller projects. Botpress may involve more setup costs or infrastructure considerations, especially for advanced use cases. This makes Chatbase more appealing for simple or budget-conscious projects, while Botpress is better for larger or more technical implementations. So which one is better? If you want a fast, simple, and beginner-friendly chatbot with minimal setup, Chatbase is likely the better choice. If you need deep customization, advanced logic, and full control over conversations, Botpress is the stronger option. The best choice depends on your goals, technical comfort level, and how complex you want your chatbot to be.